Happy morning, children. Today we are going to see about their types of neurons based on their structural and function. Based on the structure, the neurons are classified into three types: unipolar neuron, bipolar neuron, and multipolar neuron. How it was classified means this one is called cyton and this one is called as a dendron. Actually, from the cyton, only one neuron arise means the one neuron only acts as a both dendron as well as the axon, that is called unipolar neurons. It is occur in the early embryos. The second one is called as a bipolar neuron. In that bipolar neuron, from that cyton, two neurons arise. One is act as a dendron, another one is act as a axon. So it is called bipolar neurons. It is occur in the retina of the eye and olfactory epithelium of nose. And multipolar neurons from the cyton, so many branches are arise. So it is called as multipolar neurons. It is occur in the cerebral cortex of the brain. Next one is based on the function. It is classified into three types: sensory or afferent neurons, motor or efferent neurons, and third one is called as association neurons. The sensory or afferent neuron means from the sense organs to the brain or spinal cord, that is called as sensory or afferent neurons, and from the electrical impulse transferred from the central nervous system to the muscular, that is hand, leg or glands, that is called as a motor or efferent neurons. Association means it carries both the functions, carries the impulse from the sensory to the CNS as well as the CNS to the muscles, that is called as association neurons. Next one is called as a type of nerve fibers. Based on the covering of the myelin sheath, the nerve fibers are classified into two types. One is called as a myelinated, the other one is called as a non-myelinated. Myelinated means it is covered by the myelin sheath, that is called as a myelinated. Non-myelinated means it does not covered by the myelin sheath, that is called as a non-myelinated. Actually this color is grey and this one color is white. Okay, next one is the next one is transmission of the nerve impulse. The transmission of the nerve impulse occur in the as like the we saw about the sensory neuron as well as the motor neuron. In the same way only the transmission of the nerve impulse will be occurs. So the this one is one neurons and this one is called as another neurons. So the nerve impulse transfer from the sense organs to dendrites to cyton to axon. In that axon, in the terminal branch, synaptic knobs are present. The synaptic knob having the neurotransmitter release the chemical, that is called as acetylcholine, and receive the electrical impulse and transfer to the dendrons of another neurons. In the same way only it reaches the brain and spinal cord. From the brain and spinal cord, it start from the axon and then cyton and dendrons and receive their muscles to relay their activities. What are the activities? Suppose if you touch the candle means automatically the sense organs from the skin transfer the electrical impulse and convey the electrical impulse to the brain. Automatically from the brain a message will become come what we want to take the hand from the candle. That is the transmission of the nerve impulse. How it reach the brain and spinal cord? The same way it reach the effector organs. And next one is called as a synapse transmission. The synapse transmission means nothing but the axon of the one neurons pass the electric impulse to the dendrons of the, this one is called as dendrons of the another neurons, that is called as synapses movement. The next topic is the human nervous system. There are the three type of the nervous system. One is called as CNS, another one is called as PNS, and third one is called as ANS. The CNS means central nervous system. The central nervous system consists the brain and spinal cord. Next one is peripheral nervous system, and ANS called as autonomous nervous system. The autonomous nervous system, peripheral nervous system consists the spinal nerves as well as the cranial nerves. and central nervous systems are protected by the protective bony layer and vertebral column. Vertebral column. It is a three-layer durometer, pyometer, and arachnoid membrane. This three-layer protect the brain. So next videos we discuss about the how the what is the structure of the brain and functions of the spinal cord. Okay, thank you.